So hi guys, welcome again to another video, and for this video, this will gonna be a video tutorial of the chapter 8, which is subnetting the IP networks. So let's start first with the broadcast domain. So what is the broadcast? Oh, we'll not use this. We'll be using the word. So what is the broadcast domain? So for you, what is broadcast domain? So just comment in the section box or the comment box below if you know something about the broadcast domain. So broadcast domains is a router. It is a router interface connects each router connects in this so it connects here, and there are some problems in large broadcast domain. So first we have the slow networks operation due to the significant amount of broadcast traffic. And second, it slows the device. Excuse me. Operation because a device must accept and process each broadcast packet. Another thing, there is a solution which reduces the size of the network to create a smaller broadcast domain, and that process is what we call the subnetting, and the smaller network spaces is what we call the subnet. So why are we doing the subnetting? So the reason for doing a subnetting is a network administrators can group device and services into a subnet that determined by location, and it is also determined by organizational unit and for the device type. So let's proceed to this course. The first activity which you will find is in determine the bits to borrow in for this one first. Calculate the subnet mask. So the value of 255 here is all 1. Again, 252, so we'll just remove this is 0 and 1, so this will be the 0, 0, 0, and the prefix notation here is, we'll count this is 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. So we have the 23 prefix notation. So let's check. Oh, sorry. I think this is 0 also. So we have here 22. So sorry for that. And now let's proceed to the next one. We'll be entering the subnet mask of each. So this first 3, like what? This is 1, 2, 3. The value of that is all 111 because of the subnet mask we have is the 255.255.255, and we have here the host needed. So in this chapter is very tough for me to understand because there is such a very difficult to understand without the proper teaching of the professor. So this is the answers. Excuse me. Just I'll prepare this answer for you for us to don't have a time consuming. So yeah, and some of this is very somehow difficult for me to encounter, but mostly I understand this, how to determine a number, the bits to borrow. So we have here the prefix notation, the subnet mask in decimal and binary, and the host needed. So now let's proceed to This is the basic VLSM. So you will subnet the 7 further, and there you go. So adding this to it changes the host portion, and it becomes bigger when the number becomes bigger also. So now let's go here, the practicing the VLSM. So the new subnet mask in decimal here is the 255. Excuse me. And the prefix notation here. And for the first subnet, we have this 09363 because it has a lower. And for the second, we have 127 and 255. So how did I get this answer? So I based this on the last digits of this subnet mask. For the first, we have the lowest value, and for the second, we have a middle value of the given, and for the last one, we have the very high value. So let's check. So that's correct. So now just like the same, this is our prefix notation and our VLSM subnet mask. And for the first one, we have the 64 and 95. And for the second, we have 64 and 127. And for the last one, we have 96. So how did I get this? How did I come up with this answer? So I'll base it from the second given IP address. Oh, sorry. The second IP address is just the same with the first, second, and last. So I base it in from the last digits of first IP address, so which is 64, and here is 96. So you just check. So now we will be doing this. So here is the example of the student plan, which consists of PC, switch, hub, and the printer. So for the faculty LAN, we have the switch, PC, and the route, and the hub, and it's like the same, the admin and the student plan. So now we have the planning address allocation. So prevents the duplication, and it monitors the security and performance and provides a network access. So this is the assign IP range. And I think that's all for this video, and you can visit the summary for more brief explanation about this chapter. So thank you for watching. See you again on my next video.